this is the original carb off the GN125. There's a few bits wrong with it, so basically I ended up buying a new one. But I kept this, and I'm glad I did, because I've just taken the carb off, and the main jet, which is one of those style ones, doesn't show on the cheap eBay carb I bought, doesn't show what size jet it was. So basically I got that one out, which is, I think it's the original one off the bike. It says it's a Mikuni, but don't they all? So anyway, that needle there says it's a 102.5 main jet. It does say it in there, but yeah, trust me, it says it's a 102.5. So I went through this. I got this bag that I ordered by mistake of all different size jets, and I put the 110 jet in because it was the first one I found, really. And my scientific method for that is, I liked the sound of 110. I thought I'd put that in and see how it goes. So we're going to go for a test ride now, see how the bike runs, and get that retest done. So all joking aside, the bike has now passed this MOT. It's one advisory, and that's because I don't have a chain guard, which I'm not going to put on. I don't really care about that, but apart from that, it's absolutely clean bill of health. And I'm looking forward to riding it. In other news, between the last two videos, I did my motorcycle theory test and passed that. And I've just booked for my Mod 1. So we will starting to be doing some bigger bike stuff. But for now, I've just invested in a GoPro. So you'll have seen footage in this video. There'll be a bit more to come, so that's pretty cool. I know I put about the MOT, the battle and everything, but the guys at the MOT place I went to were absolutely awesome. All they want to do is keep you safe. They just want to make sure your bike is the best it can be. And if your bike does fail, it's your fault. It's not theirs. Remember that. I hope you enjoyed these videos. They were just meant to be a bit of fun. Yeah. Like, subscribe. All that good stuff. Take care. See you again soon.